Rosalind Naik, Center Manager Chamru Kochi. आम सहित प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर राजेश पाड़ी सर अछंती. सर वेलकम टू चाम. नमस्कार. सर आमको किछिटा कोविड टीका विषय रे भल प्रणाली देबे कि ता पूर्वरु आमे कोन सावधानता नबा सचेतनता नबा. तो सर मु किछिटा प्रश्न करिवि आपनकु. एक्चुअली आमको कोविड टीका किभरी काम करे एंड कोविड टीका आमको केते प्रतिशत सुरक्षा दबो.
So COVID vaccine
yes sir
is just like any other viral vaccines. Okay, the problem kon hela ki eta gote new virus asla तारो genetic model genetic sequencing was different. So our body would not recognize the virus. So virus हमको attack केमती करे. Basically our immune system पिला दिनों we get infected, we are exposed to so many viruses.
yes
And or we are vaccinated against them. So once that happens, तो आमर बॉडी रे ता अगेंस्ट रे एंटीबॉडीज तैयारी हो जाता है. तो आपण भाबंतु आमर सेल्स गुराक जो अच्छी दे आर लाइक अ रूम इनसाइड व्हिच आवर जेनेटिक मटेरियल्स आर स्टेइंग.
exactly
आमर डीएनएस एंड आरएनएस दे आर स्टेइंग इनसाइड दैट सेल भितर को बाहर को आसीबा पई देयर आर डोर्स, वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ डोर्स आर देयर. ओके, so once you enter into the door you need a key. So these keys are going to open a lock and those locks are called as the receptors.
very true sir.
तो এই जो SARS भाइरस जेतोळे हमको अटैक करूची तारो गोटे स्पाइक प्रोटीन थाए. सो दैट स्पाइक प्रोटीन एक्ट्स लाइक दैट की. तो से की थ्रू रे इट लैचेस ऑन इनटू अ रिसेप्टर कॉल्ड एज द ACE2 रिसेप्टर. सेटारे वंस इट अटैच हे गला द लॉक ओपन्स एंड द भाइरस एंटर्स इनटू द बॉडी. से एनगल्फ्ड हे जाय भितरे. वंस इट एंटर्स देन इट क्रिएट्स ऑल द हैवॉक इनसाइड. ओके,
got it.
so how to prevent that? So you just have to imagine कि आमर जो से keys गुरा को जो virus रो keys गुरा को रहउची ताकू before they are attaching to our receptors that should be a process where you can eliminate or destroy all those keys.
got it sir.
तो से keys गुरा को हमें identify करिबा पय आमर antibodies दरकार. So जेते आमर एबे तयारी होची whether it is a genetic or DNA RNA based vaccine or the classical vaccines, they are inducing antibodies within us which we are producing to recognize those spike proteins. So spike protein की हम once recognize कर दबा हमर बॉडी रो जो टोल लाइक रिसेप्टर्स अछि तो एंटीबॉडी प्रोडक्शन हबो. से एंटीबॉडीज गुरा के जतले बॉडी रे फ्लो करथुबो. सो वंस से स्पाइक प्रोटीन रियल वायरस जतले आसीबो तो ताकू न्यूट्रलाइज कर दबा एंड दे कैन नॉट एंटर इनटू द सेल्स.
got it.
Again the response आपण जो कहले this is how it will act. Response
how it will respond to the
हाँ तो response
scenario,
means जोटा हमारा one is efficacy. जोटा virus जो vaccine efficacy it will vary. First of all host गोटे host रो immune response थाए. So some people might get 100% immunity, they will not be affected again. But people host response will vary. So some we can expect something between 90 to 100% protection. But again depending upon the host response, से तारो body केमिति सेटा को respond करूची. तो आमर जेमती वर्तमान जोटा आमर कोविशील्ड vaccine and कोवैक्सिन. Okay. So how they are से जो गोटे धरंतु शिम्प vaccine अछि, शिम्प virus अछि. से शिम्प virus भितरे आपण जेनेटिक मटेरियल टाको लोड करिकि पठेले तो दैट विल इन्फेक्ट आवर us and then our body will start reacting to that. So this is basically the Pune based जो vaccine अछि.
got it.
Okay, the Covishield. The other one is an inactivated adenovirus.
yes
Okay, so again that how our body is going to react to that virus with which we are being infected. That might vary between person to person depending upon their previous pattern of infection with adenoviruses and other viral diseases. But we can expect that whatever the trials and all we have been seeing and the phase 1 phase 2 phase 3 trials which have been done against this, तो एटा बहुत safe vaccine and we are proud. India has to be proud.
You mean to say, sir, everyone has to take it?
Yes, everyone has
possible,
to take it.
right? Yeah.
So whenever their turn comes, please take it. Okay.
Very true, sir. Actually.
Right.
So another question arises: like, what are the steps to be taken before? like what are the steps to be taken?
There are basically you don't have to prepare anything
Taking
like
a
you have to be
vaccine before.
like you don't have to be an empty stomach and all that is not
Yeah.
required. Okay, basically you have to register yourself with the government process.
Okay,
So
okay.
your identification has to be done prior to and even during taking the vaccine. That means you got to have your ଆପଣଙ୍କର जो PAN card or voter ID card
Yeah.
ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇକିରି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। ତ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଜାଣିବ ନା କାହାକୁ ଆମେ ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନେଟ୍
Right,
କରୁଛୁ
right.
ତ ତାର ଫଲୋ ଅପ୍
So
କେମିତି
you
ହେବ।
should have the identity proof with you.
ହଁ,
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
ହଁ,
ଆପଣଙ୍କ identity proof
ବେଶ
ଟା ରହିବା
ସେଇଟା
ଦରକାର।
ପୂର୍ବରୁ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ବି କି ପ୍ରାୟର ଟୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଫିକେସନ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବ କି ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୋଉଠି ମାନେ କାହାକୁ ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନେଟ୍ କରିବ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନେସନ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ବି ୟୁ ସୁଡ୍ କ୍ୟାରି ଦୋଜ୍
ରାଇଟ୍ ସାର୍ ଯେମିତି କି ଲାଇକ୍ ମୋତେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ରୋଗ ଅଛି କି ବହୁତ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଙ୍କୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ରୋଗ ତ କ'ଣ କରୋନା ଟୀକା ଆମେ ନେଇପାରିବା
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, again,
ସପୋଜ ଜଣେ
ହଁ,
ଡାଇବେଟିକ୍
ହଁ,
ଅଛି
ହଁ।
ଜଣେ ଥାଇରଏଡ୍ ଅଛି
ତ ଆପଣ ଏବେ ଦେଖିଲେ during the course of the pandemic there have been lakhs and lakhs of people who have got infected କେତେ ଲୋକ ଇନଫେକ୍ସନ ହେଲେ
Right,
ଠିକ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ
ବହୁତ।
ମୋର୍ଟାଲିଟି ରେଟ୍ ବହୁତ କମ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକାଲି ଆମର ୱାର୍ଲଡରେ ସବୁଠୁ ଲୋଏଷ୍ଟ ମୋର୍ଟାଲିଟି ରେଟ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତ କୋଉମାନଙ୍କର ମାନେ ଆଉଟକମ୍ ଏମିତି ହେଲା କି ଦେ କୁଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ସର୍ଭାଇଭ୍ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିବେ ସେମାନେ ଏଲ୍ଡରଲି ପିପଲ ହେଲା ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦୋଜ୍ ହୁ ହାଭ୍ ଗଟ୍ କୋମର୍ବିଡିଟିଜ୍
Yes.
ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଏଇ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ବେଶୀ ଭଲନେରେବଲ୍ ଆମେ ଏହା କହିବାନି କି ଆମକୁ ଡାଇବେଟିସ୍ ଅଛି କିମ୍ବା ହାର୍ଟ ଡିଜିଜ୍ ଅଛି କି ଆଜମା ଅଛି ତ ଆମେ ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନ୍ ନବାନି ରାଦର ଦିଜ୍ ଆର୍ ଦି ପିପଲ୍ ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କୁ କି ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନ୍ଟା
need the vaccine
ଦେ
at
ନିଡ୍ ଦ
most.
ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନ୍
At
ଅଟମୋଷ୍ଟ
most. Okay,
ତ
okay.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଭେନ୍ ଯୋଉ ତାର ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଦି ଲେଟ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ ପ୍ରୋସିଜିଅର୍ ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ତ ମୋର୍ ଭଲନେରେବଲ୍ ପିପଲ୍ ଯୋଉମାନେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଗେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଗେ
first
ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ୍
the priority should be given to the disease people
ହଁ ତ
basically
ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କର
diabetic thyroid
ଯୋଉମାନେ ଏଲ୍ଡରଲି ପିପଲ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ 50 ବର୍ଷରୁ ଉପରେ 60 ବର୍ଷରୁ ଉପରେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଗେ ପ୍ରାୟୋରିଟି ଦିଆହଉଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତା ଭିତରେ ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କୁ କୋମର୍ବିଡିଟିସ୍ ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅଲଗା ଡିଜିଜ୍ ଡାଇବେଟିସ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କାହାକୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଅଛି ଆସ୍ଥମା ଅଛି ଲଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଡିଜିଜ୍ ସିଓପିଡି ଅଛି ହାର୍ଟ ଡିଜିଜ୍ ଅଛି କ୍ରନିକ୍ କିଡନୀ ଡିଜିଜ୍ ଅଛି ତ ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ପେସେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
Very true.
ତ ଏମାନେ ଦେ ଆର୍ ମୋର୍ ଭଲନେରେବଲ୍ ଟୁ ଦି ଭାଇରସ୍ ତାଙ୍କର ହୋଷ୍ଟ ଇମ୍ୟୁନ୍
their
ଡିଫେନ୍ସ
immunity
ଏତେ
is
ନାହିଁ
very low, very
ହଁ
low.
ତ ସେମାନେ ଦେୟାର ହୋଷ୍ଟ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର୍ସ ଆର୍ ସୋ ୱିକ୍ କି ସେମାନେ ସେ ଭାଇରସ୍ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଫାଇଟ୍ କରିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
Right.
ତ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦବାଟା ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ମୋର୍ ଜଷ୍ଟିଫାଏବଲ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସେମାନେ ହିଁ ନବା କଥା ବେଶୀ ତ ଆମର ଲେଟ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ ପ୍ରୋସିଜିଅର୍ସ ବି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଏଇଭଳିଆ କରିଛି କି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ହିଁ ଆଗେ ଦିଆହବ ହଁ
another question sir ଖାଲି କରୋନା ଟୀକା ନାହିଁ ବୟସ୍କ ଲୋକ କ'ଣ କୋଉ ଟାଇମିଂ ରେ କୋଉ ଟୀକାଟା ନବା ଉଚିତ ସର୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ବେସିକାଲି ଫର୍ ଦ ଏଜେଡ୍ ପିପଲ୍ ଓକେ only କରୋନା ଟୀକା या लाइक apart from that ଆମେ ଆଉ କୋଉ ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନ ନବା ଜରୁରୀ ବୟସ ସହିତ ଲାଇକ୍
ହଁ ତ ଏଇଟା ନା ଯୋଉ ଆମର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଓଭର ଦି ଲାଷ୍ଟ 100 years
yes
ଆମେ ପାଖାପାଖି 17 ଇନଫେକ୍ସିୟସ୍ ଡିଜିଜେସ୍ କୁ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଏମିତି ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ କୁ ନେଇ ଆସିଛୁ ଆପଣ ତ ଦେଖିବେ ସ୍ମଲ୍ ପକ୍ସ it has been eradicated with the help of immunization and vaccination जो टीका जोगु ही हमें ता ऊपर विजय पाई पारे ओके तो सिमिलरली देयर आर अदर 16 डेडली डिजीजेस जोगरा को वैक्सीनेशंस द्वारा हमें ताकू ता ऊपर हमें हां इराडिकेट करि परिबा एबे भी एई कंडीशन को नहीं आसु कि सेटा गोटे बहुत मेजर हेल्थ रिस्क नुहे तो किंतु देखिबे इवन इन द एडल्ट पॉपुलेशन हाँ जोटा इवन जोटा आमर 18 वर्ष भितर जोटा इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोटोकॉल्स पीडियाट्रिक इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोटोकॉल्स अच्छी ताकू भी बहुत जन इवन एमएमआर मिस करचंती
people are neglecting
हाँ
that, yeah.
तो जो माने मिस करचंती माने पाई नाहंती फॉर सम ऑफ द अदर रीजन टिटानस रो पाई नाहंती हला तो इवन those adults who have not been vaccinated with those they should get vaccinated okay other than that there mu jota suggest karibi ki which ଆମର ଗୋଟେ immunization adult immunization programs which should include the basic 4 major vaccines so that are hepatitis group vaccines jota amar hepatitis A or B rochi okay ଆଉ influenza vaccine and ladies ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ especially the female population ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ଇଭେନ୍ କରେ ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉଟା ଆମର जो cervical cancer so this can be even eradicated with the help of vaccination and meningococci जोटा brain infection जो brain fever जो मस्तिष्क रोग आमे कहू तार दीटा डेडली जोटा हमर मेनिंगोकोकल वैक्सीनेशन एंड हिब करके नॉट HIV बट HIV
yes
तो सेही वैक्सीनेशन गुड़ाक स्पेशली vulnerable population again जो मानक डायबिटीज अच्छी एल्डरली पीपल अच्छी जो मानकर स्मोकिंग अच्छी आस्थमा अच्छी तो these people are required to take this adult vaccination.
it's very much required for them.
Very much
Sir, what
required,
about the children? Like आमे पिल्ला मानको कोन ये करिबा जेमति कि कोविड अटैक हला the vaccination is really feasible for the children also पिल्ला को मानको पे एटा ठीक ठीक
एबे
केते एज रू सर लाइक
बेसिकली एबे आमे टारगेट करिबा जेहेतु the COVID is not that deadly in children. आमे भी देख सालनी this entire. Okay.
It's basically
So,
for the old age people.
so basically for the old age people. So
yeah.
below 18 should be the last priority.
Okay.
Once the elderly people, our
Yeah.
vaccines are दीटा effect था. गोटे तो direct effect जोटा कि से person को सेटा माने protection दबो. आउ गोटे हुए कि once a substantial amount of the population gets infected, gets vaccinated, I mean, with the vaccine virus, ताहले गोटे immunity produce हुए जोटा कि हमें herd immunity को. Okay. So once this herd immunity comes in the adults, the children will be as such protected.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it. Right. Sir, another question arises. While we take the vaccine, आमे vaccination टा नहीं गले, तापरे हमरो जो खाद्य प्रणाली, सेटा को प्रकार होबा दरकार लाइक.
आपण देखिबे एबे दीटा बेसिक डिजीजेस इंडिया रे आपण देखिबे one is diabetes and obesity.
That's in a high rate, sir.
So
we
it
are
is
dealing with
हाँ
these
so
clients.
एटा हमरो कोन होची ना जेमती माने चिराग तळे अंधेरा जो कोनती नि सेही भलिया even glaringly these are going on rising and that is because we are diverting ourselves from our traditional diet and our traditional lifestyle to more of a western lifestyle. So those diseases which were in the west, it has now come to these are more it's a I
we are
would say
adhering to that culture.
so and this is a even bigger pandemic I would say rather than COVID is obesity and diabetes and the diet should हमर जो खाद्य प्रणाली अछि हमर जदी हमें stand माने if we go back to हमर जो ओडिया खाद्य जोटा थिला सेटा को जदी हमें पळेबा हमें अवॉइड करिबा दिस बर्गर्स एंड ऑल दिस वेस्टर्न कल्चर डाइट
मतलब आमे गुटे सर बैलेंस डाइट फॉलो करिया
बैलेंस्ड हेल्दी डाइट तादेर हमर जेमती परिबा पत्र बहुत बेसी रहइबो साग रहइबो मुग रहइबो जोटा होल ग्रेन्स जोटा थाए सेगुरा को रहइबो प्रोसेस्ड एंड फास्ट फूड्स रहइबोनी तो सेटा तो ओवरऑल इम्यूनिटी ऑफ द एंटायर सोसाइटी को हेल्प करिबो ओबेसिटी प्रिवेंट करिबो डायबिटीज प्रिवेंट करिबो ओबेसिटी डायबिटीज प्रिवेंट हे गेले तो आपनकर सो मेनी डिजीजेस विल बी क्योर्ड एज सच
अच्छा सर पिला माने आजिकली तो आपण जानि चंती जनरेशन टू इट डिफर्स फ्रॉम जनरेशन टू जनरेशन पिला माने निजरो बापा मार किभଳି যত্ন दबा उचित because it is a very the question is but you can understand diplomatic nowadays the generation according to generation you can see the things what is happening outside तो केमती मतलब
गोटे कथा तो माने इट्स अ सैड थिंग कि पीपल एबे समस्ते चाहउचंती कि आमे आउ माने जॉइंट फैमिली रे रहिबुनी हला once people get married okay because of pressures from society pressures from even in-laws माने जहाँ भी I am not telling कि in-laws are all but some sections I am telling so the pressures are creating कि parents माननको to पिला माने अलगा हे कि रहउचंती okay
this is happening in
so
today's world.
first of all best kata haba kata ki that should be a united family okay
true because we learn from the family itself
तो आपण जदी कहिबे once you stay with your parents okay and you stay and you look after them तो आपण तांग पाके रहिबे आपण that will be a biggest mental support for them and आपण रहिले ही आपण तांकर केयर नहीं परिबे तांकर डायटरी केयर तांकर once people get elderly population once they get old the most important thing they will require is the emotional support तापरे आपण तांकर one important thing देखिया को पड़िबो कि तांको isolation emotional depression and sedentary lifestyle ए तीनटा जिंस रु प्रिवेंट करिया पड़िबो पेरेंट्स
exactly
so once elderly people don't start moving active रहिबे नाही
very true
ताहले कोन हबो तांको सब
the
प्रकार रोग
diseases will attack
तो एक्टिविटी करिके कंटिन्यूअस चलीबा एक्टिव रहबा मोटापा न होबा एगुरा को निजर पेरेंट्स मान को समस्त देखि परिबे ओके
आ गोटे प्रश्न सर मो मन रे आसी वयस्क लोक माने केते बेले माने डॉक्टर को परामर्श नबा उचित आ कोन राइट माने कोन सब परीक्षा करबा उचित सर
गोटे तो इम्पोर्टेंट कथा है कि एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप ओके एल्डरली ग्रुप एबव द एज ऑफ 60 एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप एनुअल विजिट टू ए डॉक्टर वर्ष को थरे इट्स नॉट टू मच ऑफ अ डिमांड
go for a checkup everyone I think sir at what age actually can I know
this should start after the age of 50 okay above 40 if you are obese or diabetic then you have
then
to go
you have to.
okay other than that if you are above 50 once at least between 50 to 55 once you should go for a thorough checkup
very true
okay and after 55 to 55 to 60 two visits in between those 5 years and after 60 I think it should be annual checkup during these annual checkups basic examination jota apanakar BMI calculations blood pressures egura ko clinical exam these are very important okay malignancy screenings are very important given a simple x-ray can detect a cancer in the lungs ultrasound can detect a cancer in the kidneys prostate okay so basic evaluations packages jodi thae to most of this but once you have to go to a doctor okay apon doctor pakho gale hi se apanakar checkup karibo so annual health checkup is very important
and you are saying that that should be a checkup every yearly like
and that
basis.
if those annual checkup once you go then your diabetes screening thyroid hypothyroid screening your obesity if you are obese and if you are obese you suffer from a lot of diseases okay then there is another thing which is very very neglected which I am seeing is something called as obstructive sleep apnea jota amar बाधक निद्रा जोटा कोन माने सोई पड़ला को घुंगुडी जो एक्सट्रीम स्नोरिंग हुए तो ओबेसिटी हे करी स्लीप बेल को टंग फॉल बैक करिवो आमर स्लीप जो अच्छी सेटा इट शुड बी ए कंटिन्यूअस स्लीप इवन जने 4 घंटा 5 घंटा सोउची द ड्यूरेशन मे नॉट बी 12 घंटा जने सोइला दैट इज नॉट इंपोर्टेंट 4 to 6 hours of good sleep that is important for the brain especially for the elderly people say 6 घंटा जो सोइबे ता भितरे ब्रेन रो रिदम एक्टिविटीज जोटा जाए नॉन रेम स्लीप रु नॉन रेम स्लीप रु REM sleep पुणी non REM एमती cyclically है कि से पुणी आपन निदरटा भांगी
it's like conscious mind subconscious mind
yes but that's a sleep pattern तो जदी ता भितरे आपनकर ब्रेन को ऑक्सीजन जाउनी जदी टंग फॉल बैक करी कि स्लीप निश्वासटा किछि माइक्रो सेकेंड्स में बंद हो जाउची तो ब्रेन रो से निदर उठी पड़िबो फॉर माइक्रो सेकेंड उठी पड़ला बेलू कोन हो ना पुणी से apnea ओभरट हे जिवो apnea पळेइबो किंतु से भीतर को जो स्लीप साइकिल टा थिला सेटा ब्रेक हे गला हला कि तो सो वंस दैट इज ब्रोकन स्लीप साइकिल ब्रेक हे गला इट क्रिएट्स अ विशियस इम्यूनोलॉजिकल डिसबैलेंस इन द बॉडी ता जगो ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़िबा ब्लैडर डिसफंक्शन होबा डायबिटीज होबा so many other diseases even stroke brain stroke जोटा paralysis हुए heart attacks all these are related to obstructive sleep apnea
yes
so that also should be and sleep study especially for obese people has to be more awareness among general public has to create that awareness
it's needed to be created and another thing sir like I want to ask you like this vaccine is affordable for all kind of people is it affordable like the price
presently government
like
is giving
the rural people they're not aware of tika kono tika gote nabu
I understand but basically I'm not talking about the COVID vaccine the other vaccines are not so costly that they cannot afford but definitely for a farmer who is earning less than say 60,000 or 70,000 per year for him even 1,000 rupees vaccine would be costly
will be very costly so how they will maintain that sir
like, so for that some support from government and some support from private organizations
is needed for them
basically some NGOs can come up for with adult vaccination programs then again the screening of like we saw it ebe jemte amar covid pa ete mass scale re ame sabu testing kolu jo RT-PCRs and all that amaro sette scale re influenza pa houni so we are missing lot of H1N1 H3N2 even influenza B ame miss karuchu ha to real taro society re amo desare nai the entire globally mu kochi तो वी आर मिसिंग कि एग्जैक्ट तार रेट केते अछि से वायरस रो एंड हाउ मच इट इज कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द
We are not
मोर्टालिटी
aware of right now. So we
तो
have to-
सेथिपय आमे जदि जो अवेलेबल डेटा अछि इन वेरी डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज इट इज वेरी हाई
Yes.
तो आमे सेटा लाइफ को प्रोटेक्ट करिया पई 1000 रुपीस ईयरली जोटा हमरो इन्फ्लुएंजा वैक्सीन होची बट अदर वैक्सीन जोटा हम कहबी धरो निमोकोकल वैक्सीन जोटा हला जो पॉली 23 दैट इज यू गिव वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम अप टू द एज ऑफ 65 पर जाई कि गोटे आ गोटे टीका नेबे ओके so these are not very costly to once in a lifetime so that I think people can afford
Yeah, surely, sir. So right now we knew many things. Rajesh sir ko tharu, Dr. sir ko tharu बहुत किछि जानिले like COVID टीका टा बहुत जरूरी and that too amar health checkup टा yearly once हबा दरकार after the age of 40s या 50s sir. So right now sir will give us some message to the society what we should follow right now at this scenario. इस स्टेज रे में कौन follow करिबा दरकार sir, what you will give the message to people and all?
as a general message is we should understand that the vulnerability and fragility of life माने हमरो जीवन टा ही सबटू important life रे okay
Yes.
and unnecessary stress anxiety for minor things से गुरा को हमको
We have to discard that. Very true.
एवरी डे टाकू गोटाए दिन को पर डे हिसाब रे ही जीवा कथा
I think sir we should start the day with a smile.
Yes,
So that the
exactly.
entire day will be smiling.
Exactly.
I feel that because that is my motto. That is my notion.
so
I
once
always start
so
the day.
एबे माने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मु कहबी जेते प्रकार मॉडर्न डिजीजेस आपण देखुचंती
Exactly.
आपण देखंतु दी साइंस दी मेडिकल साइंस हैज गिवन अस almost a 20-year increase in our survival माने जो आगुरु धरंतु 100 years back the overall people longevity was around 45 years
Yeah.
ebe it has gone up to 72 years okay
Yes.
so but are we more happy
Right,
even
right.
living longer so first of all amaro the first target of life should be to be more happier
Happy within ourselves only, sir. Then we can create awareness and create happiness. That's
so
important.
once you are happy then you
Yeah.
are healthy also
Very true,
okay
very
so
true.
mental health has to be priority number 1
Right, right.
once you are mentally healthy automatically you become fit your dietary patterns become fit you don't take unnecessary things you start your physical
Right,
activity
right, sir.
everything falls down into a pattern
Really nice. It's really nice to talk to you. What do you say? I do follow the same thing, sir. But I would say people like right now just have a healthy lifestyle, have a balanced diet. Just churn your food. Don't take all those burgers, pizza life. Just change it, churn it, have a healthy lifestyle, and whatever doctor sir said, like you have to have a maintenance like yearly once. You have to go to the doctor, you have to do a health checkup. I feel it is very important for all and everyone. Okay, thank you sir. It's really glad to have you here.
Thank
It's
you
all
so
my
much.
pleasure. Thank you
Nice
sir.
speaking to you.
My pleasure sir.